Good morning! Hi, it's Monday. And you know how I feel about Mondays. I freaking love Mondays. It's my reset day. This week, we have so much happening. Today and tomorrow is like work day, regular work day. Gonna grind super hard, get a bunch of Slush University videos done, short form content done, try on videos done. Got to do all my admin work. We're actually planning a huge event for Slushy, so I've been working on that, and then also like deals and stuff like that. So there's a lot that's going on in these next 2 days that I just need to kind of power through. Wednesday, Daisy gets to town, so I'm going to spend Wednesday mostly with her, and then she has her show that night. And then I have another work day, and then my sister comes, and my sister's gonna be here through the weekend. We basically just have a really fun week. There's gonna be a lot of working and grinding in the next 2 days right now. And then the end half of the week really is to spend time with my family, and I'm really excited about it. So we're doing that. I just spent some time with Rufus, and I have a meeting in like 20 minutes, and I'm gonna make myself a little latte now. Whoa! I normally use my espresso machine, but I actually bought this Stumptown's original cold brew, and I only drank half yesterday, so I'm gonna drink the other half today. Literally, it's such a small little container, but half is basically a full cup. Well, maybe I'll put it in this cup so it actually feels like more, but let's see. Okay, actually that did not pour that much. But if I put ice, that's what they do at the coffee shop, right? And then I've been using this oat milk from Trader Joe's, brown sugar oat milk creamer. It's so good. And you really only need like the smallest amount. Look, you put ice in it and now it's like up to here. That's what they do at the coffee shop. Hi guys, I'm hanging out with Rufus right now, and he is having a little crazy freak out because he hasn't been out all day. He gets really excited when he comes out. I found the coolest freaking platform ever to buy promo from creators when I first started in this industry, and it worked really well for me, and I used to use this platform that no longer exists. And so ever since then, I've been trying to find a platform similar that would work, and I literally found one, y'all. I found such a great website, and it's honestly even better than the website that I used to use. It's called fanscity.com, and it shows you the coolest stuff. So there's a marketplace, and you link all your platforms, so it shows your stats. It shows your stats of your OnlyFans so that you can see exactly what other people's stats are. So on my page, you can actually see how many fans I have. You can see what percentage I'm at. So you can actually make an educated decision on who you want to buy from if you want to buy promo. And you can also buy promo off other platforms. So you can link tons of different platforms. I linked my OnlyFans and I linked my Twitter. And so that way you can buy promo from either of those places. And you can also do share for share, which is great. So if you want to find if you want to find creators that maybe have a similar following to you or something like that you want to share for share with, it's way better than just like messaging a bunch of girls and like hoping that someone wants to share for share, especially when there's so much like fake accounts on Instagram being like, let's share for share, girl. And then it ends up just being some sort of spam type of thing. So this is a place where you can really know what you are getting and actually spend your money and your time wisely finding the right creators. And you can also look up creators based on certain tags that they have added to their profile. You can add certain tags. So I added on mine like tattooed, dark features, short, like things like that, maybe solo content, whatever type of content you create. That way you can collaborate with people that are similar to you. And that's something that I would always recommend, is making sure that you're choosing people that are similar to you so that you know that they're following with like your following. It's a super easy marketplace. You can type people's names in, you can search by follower count, and you can, use all the filters to make sure you're choosing the best creators for share or for buying promo. And then you have a content planner so that if you And then you also have a content planner. So if someone purchases from you, then you can make sure that all of that gets done in a proper, timely manner. I think it's such an awesome platform, and this is what I've been looking for so long. And it's, like I said, even better than the last one that I used to use, because the last one you just kind of had to guess what their stats were, whereas this one, it pulls the stats. Like, you have to log into your OnlyFans and it pulls the stats from your OnlyFans, so you can really know for sure what you're getting. And then on the side panel, there's your marketplace, your share for shares, your offers, and then also all your orders. Again, your content planner, your statistics, and referrals. Here's Rufus. He's just being so naughty today. I don't know why. I think because he hasn't been out all day, so he like doesn't know how to act. Do you not know how to act, little sir? You're being so crazy. Anyways, go and check out fanscity because I think it's awesome, and there's not that many people on there yet, so the more girls we can get on there, the better options we'll have for share and for buying promo. So I'm just excited. Go check it out. Links are going to be down below. Good morning. Is it Tuesday? It is Tuesday. Y'all, first of all, I took a shower, blow dried my hair. Now I need to straighten it. Did my makeup. I did my nails for tomorrow. Look at these. Right here it says DG for Daisy. Did my little nails. And the reason why I did the red is because my outfit for tomorrow night is this. Did I already show you this? I don't think I did. I will show you tomorrow when I put it on, but it's like this lacy dress with like tights. It's so cute. These are the shoes, and then I'm wearing this belt. So I did red nails to match. But the only bad thing about these damn nails is that I used Gel X instead of what I normally do, which is I normally do acrylic nails on my nails. And I do them myself, and it takes a long ass time, and it's a long process. So I was like, okay, let me try Gel X nails. Regret, y'all. They've popped off 3 times already, and I did them yesterday. So I hope they don't pop off anymore because I keep gluing them back down. They look so good. They look so good, but then they just don't stay on. I am going to shoot today because Daisy gets in at about like 4 p.m. today. I have a couple of calls later today. And I need to shoot a bunch of content before Daisy gets here and before my calls. So I just need to figure out my hair. I'm going to shoot a bunch of videos, a bunch of short form content, long form content, / university videos, try on videos, like as much as I possibly can before my 2 o'clock meeting. And it is 12:30. So I'm going to straighten this so freaking fast because we do not have that much time. I'm feeling really positive and like I actually can get things done. I don't know what happened last week or the last few weeks where I was just feeling like so lost. Like I felt like I could never get anything accomplished. I felt like I was doing things and then like 5 more things were being added to my list. I feel like even though this week is so jam-packed, I actually am going to be able to accomplish a lot, and I already got a lot done yesterday, and I don't know, I'm feeling really positive again and not that overwhelmed. I don't know. I like a calm life. Like I started doing this because I like a calm environment. I like to like enjoy my life. I like a slow life, and that doesn't mean that I can't get a lot done while living a slow life. Like when I'm saying slow, I just mean like not overwhelming. Like I can get everything done. Like I feel good about it. I love working. It's not that I don't like to work. It's more I just want to feel like I'm accomplishing things are getting done, and it's not like too overwhelming where I can't get things done. You know, I feel like slow isn't physically slow. Am I even making any sense? I feel like slow just means that I can enjoy what I'm doing, and like that's what I mean by slow. Hello, look what I'm doing. I am shooting content. Eee! Okay, so I've just been shooting a bunch of like short form slushy content, and now I am about to do some try on stuff. So I'm gonna do a try on. So I'm gonna do a bunch of like cosplay try-ons, and then in between those I'm also going to do like my regular transparent videos. So I'm trying to film like a ton, and I only have, I think, like 30 minutes left. Yeah, 25 minutes until my next call, and then after that call then I can jump back into shooting more, and then I have another call after that. So I'm I only so far have shot like short form stuff, and I really haven't got that much done. So I'm gonna shoot these cosplay outfits first, and hopefully I can do that quickly. Okay, just finished shooting. I shot 3 different try-on videos and like some short form content, not as much as I really wanted to do, but I have a meeting in 5 minutes, so I got dressed so I can have my meeting, and then I have to go pick up Daisy, and I think I want to do dinner with Daisy tonight. It's 3 o'clock now. Well, in 5 minutes it's gonna be 3 o'clock. So by the time I get her, it's probably gonna be 5 o'clock, and then maybe we'll either do an early dinner, or we'll come back here, let her like settle down, and then do a little dinner later. So I've wrapped everything up. I've put my box of clothes that I still need to shoot, because I still have about 3 other videos ready for whenever I need to shoot. But since I have 3 videos, that means I have about a week and a half worth of content for my try-on channel, which is great. That's all I need, because I'm only gonna be away, or like away, not able to film stuff for the next like 5-ish days. I need to put this mirror away. I need to put on like some shoe or some socks. I don't know. What day is it? It's Wednesday. Today is the day of Daisy's show. She just got a bike. Don't ask me. I don't freaking know. She just got a bike. And now she's picking up her suitcase from the venue / the tour bus. And then we're going back home, and we're gonna get lunch, start getting ready, get our things together. She's gonna repack her suitcase apparently, or something like that. I don't know what she's doing with her suitcase actually. I think she's doing something with this box. I don't know what she's doing. She's told me a million times, and I'm just like, this has nothing to do with me, so the information went but yes, we went and got coffee this morning, and now we're in downtown LA. I'm actually like getting tired again, just because we were rushing around this morning. We woke up at like 7 a.m. to just start the day. It's only 9 a.m. right now. Is it only 9? I feel like it's like a little bit later. No, I think it's like 10. But yeah, it's been a crazy morning already, and downtown is just actually scary. I don't like being in downtown. But I heard the venue tonight is actually really, really nice. I showed Daisy my nails, my DG nails, and she loved it. A few seconds later, and now we don't even have the box. She took the box out, and she said she didn't even need it. So I'm like, we went last night to go get that box after dinner. We went to Home Depot and got that box. And we got a heavy duty box, because she's like, I need a heavy duty box. I need it to last me all tour. And now she's like, I don't need the box. I'm going to throw the box away. I'm like, why did you get the box? And she's like, I don't know. I thought I would need it. Oh my. But look what she got me from New Orleans. A little voodoo doll. And she said it says for true love. New Orleans voodoo doll. And then the back has like a little picture. That's so cute. But look at it. I'm obsessed. She's like, when you're mad at me, you can squeeze its arm. And I was like, okay. It's so cute. It's actually such a cool like little design. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I think I'm going to put it in bed next to me since she's gone.
you think?
Nah, or maybe.
I bet they have.
Yeah, I bet they have. We have made it after like 4 hours of driving. We're at the venue. Haven't seen Daisy yet, but we are here. How was the drive, sister?
It was great.
It was pretty good.
Good
Long
driver.
chat. Oh yeah, and Brandon drove us right there. Oh, I did Selena's nails last night. Look at, show the nails. So cute. We did stars, and they kind of match mine because we're using the same red.
Yeah.
Love it.
Your eyes were I knew. I think I finally found you. Woo! Woo!
This is way better than that pizza spot. That's what we were talking about.
I was falling fast till I hit the ground. Why'd you build us up just to tear us down? Why my tears on my designer? You broke my heart and cheated with a devil in a cheap ass dress and black eyeliner.
Na 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 dun 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 na 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 na.
Oh my god, there's like this weird vibrating sound coming from my neighbor's apartment. It's like loud music, but it's just like making the same exact sound over and over again. It's driving me nuts. Hi. So this weekend I was hanging out with my sister, so I didn't take a lot of vlog clips, but I had so much fun. I brought you guys along for some of it, like what I could show. And then yesterday we kind of just laid on the couch and like had food, and then she left. And then I just laid on the couch the rest of the day. I was like so exhausted from the night before, because the night before we were having so much fun. We hung out with Sammy, as you saw, and then we came back here to my house and we just like made drinks, had like played games and stuff like that. And then she left at like 2 a.m. So we were exhausted. We were exhausted the next day, and we slept until like 10 or something. This weekend was really nice. It was so good to see my sister, but I feel like it went by so fast. I washed my hair and I let it be curly again. So this is the second time I'm wearing it, or I guess third time I'm wearing it curly. I do like it. I think it's pretty cute. I just, once it's dry, then I like to put like half of it up with some pieces down. Like I think that's cuter than it just all being like down. I don't know. Tonight I'm having some friends over for dinner, and other than that, like the rest of the week I'm just literally gonna be grinding all week, because next Monday is our slushy content house. So I'm really excited for that, and we just need to finish planning and making everything happen there. So yeah, that's what I'm working on. I'm gonna make myself a little coffee right now, get myself woken up. Like I said, I showered, I did my makeup because I am gonna film today. I wanna film like a Slushy University video and maybe like a try-on video, even though I already have some ready to go for that. And then I have to finish up like some admin work for the Content Slushy House, but that's today. And also, this weekend is the webinar on Saturday. So that is another thing to look forward to for this week. I'm really excited. I have to do my nails this week. I ripped them off over the weekend because they got super like dirty, and I was just like, these gotta go. I hope you liked this vlog. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.